Welcome to the universe of SuperYachtsMonaco.
I would say we work hard, we play hard, and we're just fun people to spend some time with.
There's no need to complicate things. With us, we'll get it done very quickly and we'll find the hidden gems for you. We can get you access to even off-market boats which are not even on the show, at anchor, or in the surrounding area.
The experience with SuperYachtsMonaco during the Monaco Yacht Show is relaxed.
And it's good to meet different people from the industry coming together.
It's a good experience. We get the job done.
We've done a very successful charter season on Centurion. Honestly, I'm very happy about SuperYachtsMonaco. Actually, the owner asked me if this year we want to renew with SuperYachtsMonaco. I said yes.